So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for choosing to click onto today's video. Today's video is based around the key clay, and I know everybody has or has heard of this item, and it's from Louis Vuitton. And I figured because this item is such a popular gift around Christmas, I figured let's perhaps think of many different ideas that perhaps we could use the key clay for. So I have come up with just a few ideas that I would recommend using the key clay for, rather than just a standard everyday sort of cars, keys and cash. I figured let's see what else we can do with the key clay. So my first idea, as you can see, is using it actually as a cosmetic pouch designed for your lip products. So as you can see, I've placed down a compact, a lip balm, also a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the mini travel size and also in the large size, just to experiment with which size will actually fit in. So, and also a Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. This color here is Pillow Talk. I love this lip liner, it's so beautiful, such a natural lip liner. So in goes the lip liner first, then the compact. This compact is amazing. It's translucent and it's part of the astrology range. I don't know if they still do it, but it's a beautiful compact. Next, the mini travel size lipstick and then the lip balm. And there you go, a perfect lip kit. So lip balm out, compact out, mini lipstick out, and lip liner out. So I tried to fit in the larger lipstick, but I just feel like it takes up too much space. So instead I figured, why not, once again, lip liner, compact, mini lipstick, but there's more. Fragrance in the same pouch, and that's really neat and tidy. So now the next idea is going to be a brow kit. So I have my Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder, which actually has a brush inside. Also the Gimme Brows, which is like fiber particles. So in goes the brow kit, in goes my tweezers and Gimme Brows. But as you can see, I'm slightly struggling, but it still fits, but the shape's not as good. So instead, struggling, take out the Gimme Brows and keep the powder with the brush and the tweezer, and there you go, you have a beautiful brow kit. So now I figured, why not come up with an idea of a hydration and emergency kit. So here we go, we've got some band-aids, hand cream, moisturizer, because you never know when you feel dehydrated, tweezers, travel size Penhanigan fragrance, and it all fits perfect. Now, because there's space, add a lip balm, and still it all fits. So now I thought, why not have a nail file, pair of scissors, because you never know when you might need one, tweezers, nail kit. And as you can see, there's a lot of room there. So why not add more? band-aids, hair clips, hair tie, fragrance sample, mask. So now it's become like a full-on emergency kit. Does it fit? And there you go, guys. Fits perfectly. So let's take everything out to see how much actually in there. Mask, hair tie, fragrance, band-aids, scissors, hair clips, nail cutter, tweezers, nail file, hair clip, and another hair clip. And there you go, guys. Would you have ever thought that it carried so many items all in a little pouch? So let's try something new. Hand cream, band-aid, aspirin, mask, because it's important. So even if you just keep one in there as a spare mask. And there you go, guys. Another idea. Shall we see if the moisturizer fits? And yes, it sure does. So then, here is our emergency sewing kit. Band-aids just in case we hurt our fingers, pair of scissors, buttons, spare buttons, needle and thread. So I put the needle in the bag, safety pins. So I have 3 separate different sizes of safety pins. Thread and a measuring tape. And the largest safety pin. And there you have a beautiful little mini sewing kit for those unexpected disasters. So I hope you have enjoyed this mini video of different ideas on how we can actually use the key clay. It's such an amazing product, and I do believe it makes such a beautiful gift for anyone, especially for Christmas. So like I said, I hope you have enjoyed. If you have made it this far, please do not forget to hit the subscribe and like button, because that would help my channel out so much, and I would appreciate it so much too. So guys, till next time, take care and see you soon. Thank you. Bye.